Hi everyone, this is IBR and welcome to Indian Beauty Reviewer. So you must have seen my previous video where I talked about this amazing new herbal luxury brand called Vanya Herbals, and in my previous video I talked about 3 face products that they very kindly sent me for reviewing on my channel here, and I have been using these products for a pretty long time, almost 3 weeks, and I just loved them. So here also I'm going to talk about 2 body products. Those were face products, these are body products, and they have sent me Pudin Fresh, which is a mint and tulsi shower gel, and a Pudin Silk, which is mint and tulsi body lotion. This is also 100 ml. Both of these are 100 ml in quantity, and their prices are 535 rupees for the shower gel and 595 rupees for the body lotion. Now both these brands are mint and tulsi based, so which are just amazingly great for these hot humid summers. So the first thing that I must tell you is that they leave a very cool feeling, and the fragrances of the products of this brand are just out of the world, like really nice. The fragrances are just what the name is or what the main ingredients are. So mint and tulsi is the primary fragrance in both these skincare brands. So the packaging is like when you just open the lid and you open this little plastic stopper kind of thing, and this is how you have to pour the product, and you can very much control the quantity. So this is the Pudin Fresh shower gel, which I'll just show you. This is like whitish in color, okay, slightly yellowish in color, very slight yellow tint, but it's mostly like a white creamy shower gel. And as soon as I smell this, oh my god, this shower gel is so amazingly scented with mint and tulsi, but like mostly minty, amazing minty smell, and it leaves your body really soft, and also it foams very well on the body. So I used it with my loofah, and I took like a little blob of the shower gel, and of course on a wet loofah I scrubbed my whole body with it, and then I got a like lovely minty foam, and this cleaned my body really well. And the fragrance lasted for like almost an hour after taking the bath, and my whole bathroom was smelling like just so amazing, as if I've lit like a mint candle or something, amazing. So you must definitely try the shower gel. 535 rupees for a 100 ml bottle. I think this bottle is definitely going to last you a month, or maybe like 3 to 4 weeks if you take showers twice a day, which we usually do. So decently priced, and the packaging is also nice, very chic kind of a packaging, which looks decent, kept on your little dresser. I love this little motif, this gray sort of a motif on this white sticker, and then this green, pastel green color. So I basically really like the packaging of this brand, which is very lightweight. All the products are really lightweight that I have noticed. Even the face products that I've renewed, very lightweight, except the cream, which was slightly heavier because it contained like the heavy cream for the face. So yeah, okay. And then this is the Pudin Silk mint and tulsi body lotion. Again, you have the stopper over here, and wow, amazing. So amazing smell, very high quality, great products. Wow, made my hands really soft, guys, really soft. So the brand is a luxury brand, no doubt about that, because the products feel and smell and even look just as good as those 2 very prominent luxury herbal brands in India, which are Kama Ayurveda and Forest Essentials. And I do not hesitate in comparing this brand to both of those brands, which are cult favorites, like Kama products and Forest products are just cult favorites, and everybody knows about them, and they are like the most luxurious and like organic and most pure sort of they make products. And that's why I'm comparing these products, or the products from Vanya Herbals, to those products, and I definitely think you guys must give this brand a try. I'm going to share the links in the description box below of the website, and if there are other places or other online sites where you can get this product from, I will just confirm from the brand and share the links down below in the description box. Or you can simply go and type Vanya Herbals and you will get the link on Google from where you can shop these products, and I totally recommend them, guys. Go green, go organic, go herbal, go vegan. That's my mantra, and these products are just that. So a little bit about the shower gel, and it's written that this product is handcrafted with the finest of herbs, which I totally believe. And it's like, you have a spa like feeling with this product. Totally. The smell and the texture and the softness, smoothness of the gel as well as the body lotion is just amazing, guys. And they have a blend of therapeutic and stimulating blend of Himalayan tulsi, mint and lemongrass essential oils, delicately combined to refresh, soothe and revitalize the skin. Enriched with 100% natural plant derived ingredients like vegetable glycerine, plant derived ingredients, so this is definitely vegan, okay, like decyl glucoside and pentavitin. This shower gel is a gentle cleanser ideal for everyday use. So you just take a small amount in your hand, and you can take it on your loofah or on your palm, and then just cleanse the skin and exfoliate the dead cells, and then rinse off with water thoroughly. And if you are at a risk of allergic reactions, like you must be knowing that you have very sensitive skin and all, so a patch test is recommended, guys, and you should handle the products isme likha hai with utmost care, because they are pure herbal products and very pure ingredients in this, so they can change color over time also. And do not touch with wet or dirty hands. ये सारे cautions इसमें mentioned हैं, तो ये अच्छी बात है कि इसको आप ज़रूर पढ़िएगा. और अब पुदीन सिल्क बॉडी लोशन की बात कर लेते हैं. तो इसमें यही लिखा है कि awaken your senses with the age-old tradition of aromatherapy in an invigorating blend of essential oils of tulsi, spearmint, peppermint, bergamot, mint and lemongrass, along with 100% natural and plant-derived ingredients like kokum butter, caprylic glyceride and pentavitin. So this moisturizes your skin with a light, oil-free and non-greasy feel. It is recommended that you use this body lotion after using the mint and tulsi shower gel, and this lotion should be massaged on slightly damp skin for long-lasting moistness and deep nourishment. So overall, this is a great combo for summers. This is a great shower combo for summers, which is this Pudin Fresh Mint and Tulsi Shower Gel and Pudin Silk Mint and Tulsi Body Lotion. Great combo, 100 ml bottle each, and you guys are going to love it for like these hot summer humid months where you're going to feel refreshed and invigorated and just cooled down, and you're going to have like really spa like let's say like a spa bath or like a spa like feel after your bath. So I highly recommend this combo of body lotion, and overall even the face products that I made my previous video about, guys, definitely check it out. Their face products are just out of the world. The Anar Care cream and the Haldi Clear face cleanser, which looks like a cream but it's actually a cleanser. Oh my god, just try it out, watch the review and try out that face cleanser. Awesome product. And yes, the rose water, which you just spray on the go anytime on your skin for a refreshed and a cooled, toned, soft, smooth feel of the skin. So lately I have been loving this Vanya Herbals, and I highly recommend this brand. I totally compare it with Forest Essentials and Kama Ayurveda, which are the cult favorite Indian herbal organic brands, and you guys must check out Vanya Herbals. I will be sharing the link in the description box below. Again, I'm saying that, so do check it out, and I will be seeing you guys with another review. Until then, bye bye.